Good afternoon. My name is Mike Clark. I'm the Executive Director of Advocates of Love. We're an orphan and vulnerable children care ministry in Tamanna, Dominican Republic. And I met RJ Plano about a year ago through affiliation with Board of Advisors, and we became fast friends. He was very personable, but most importantly, he just took a special interest in the children that are within our care in Tamanna, in the Dominican Republic, with Advocates of Love. And not only him, but also his wife, just tremendous supporters of the ministry and the children there. They actually, about 6 months ago, got really involved and helped us build a girls' dormitory that we were in desperate need of. And they continue to stay abreast of all of the things that we're doing down there. And we're just, we're very fortunate to have RJ Plano and his family as a part of our Advocates of Love family.